guys, we're getting ready to give you a tour around the steakhouse for restaurants. And of course, as soon as you walk in, lots of wine bottles.
How to make a reservation.
We have some good seating area. Hi, morning. Hello. So this is the entire steakhouse. Workers are getting things ready for tonight. So you can even come and make reservations when before dinner time. On the 5th floor, you're heading into the sushi area, the sushi restaurant.
And all the money they were wasting on paper on digital stuff.
Sounds right to me. That's a good idea.
Here's a sushi menu. So if you come have sushi, this is a little area that you'll be in. Quite cozy space. And then also, if you want to be outdoors, you can. You can sit out here and have your sushi. Morning, guys.
Morning.
How are you? You tell them your names.
I'm Jake from Philippines.
I'm Farid from Malaysia.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice
I'm
to meet
Sean.
you. We're working on Bonsai Sushi.
Enjoy your morning. Right out the sushi below. You might get a glance of the casino. Good morning. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sean and you're watching Cruising on Vacay Mode. Don't forget about our live. We go live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, so come on in and chat with us.